Hi, Cam Summerland. This is Mark, your podcast guide, and we've got a question here. Mrs. I asks, "Hi, Mark. Can you please share with the students how they can create their podcast art? Thanks so much." No problem, Mrs. I. I head over to Anchor, anchor.fm, and I, of course, log in. Podcastcreate@outlook.com is my login ID, but of course, you've got to use your HCDSB Outlook login. I enter my personal password. This is going to be different for everybody. And of course, it brings me to my podcast settings. So I can get, let's say it started here for everyone. Well, it starts here on my dashboard, and you can see that I've got my logo and my artwork, my cover art for my podcast. I head over to the little pencil that we talk about over on the right-hand side. And it says about your podcast, and it has my podcast settings. It says podcast name, podcast description, and of course, podcast cover art. I click on update cover art. There are three options. First option, search for a photo. For example, I have hockey skates there, but what if I want it to be about baseball? I can click on any of these pre-provided, and they have a huge repository of art on Anchor, and then I just click continue, and then you're going to see a little processing happen. And unless I want to change anything here, and I could change the color, say, of my font. I could change my actual font to something else. Let's try this, Graduate. Let's see how that looks. There you go. That's pretty cool. And then maybe I like a different color though. And then I click on update cover art. And there you go. Our cover art is updated, and then we press save to save it. Now, what if I wanted to upload my own? Well, I go to update cover art again, but this time I go to upload an image. And I'm just going to click on an image of myself very quickly. There's my artwork now uploaded, Podcast Create, and I can click on update cover art, and now you should see the little wheel move again as it uploads my art and updates the cover art to my own photo, though any photo that I so choose. Now, there's a third option, update cover art. It says choose one for me. I don't really use this one. I don't like programs usually choosing the art for me, although that is very pretty. And here it's just chosen one of the existing backgrounds that are available. I really like that baseball one, so I'm going to go back and say, actually, you know what? I'm going to go back, say search for a photo, and then I'm going to put in cars. I really like cars as well. It really depends on what your podcast is about. Your cover art should reflect that. For example, if your cover art is about confidence, or your cover art is about self-empowerment, you could use one of those words to search for your cover art. Here's an example. I really like this one. Wow, that's really nice. Sometimes what you might notice, it might take a little longer. The website might hang. If it does that, just click on the refresh button. You might have to go through the process again, but it should work. So I'm going to type in confidence. I'm going to click on that photo again. I'm going to press continue, update cover art. I take a little bit longer than normal. And once this updates, click on save, and you're good to go. See you soon. Take care.